Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. DOT has shown a little bit of upside today. It's still up intraday, but we haven't seen a breakout. And we want to talk a little bit about the microstructure here because I want to tell you what we now need to see in order to be able to confirm that the price has already bottomed here on Monday, the 17th of June, where the price hit the 61.8 extension level at $5.50. You might remember from previous videos that I highlighted that there is a cluster of support here. We don't only have the golden ratio level here, the 61.8 retracement from the larger wave 2 support zone. I'm zooming out a little bit first. Yeah, it's not only that key support level, which is one of the most important Fibonacci ratios on such a chart. No, it's also based on the internals of the wave structure, the 61.8 extension level, and there's a bit of an overlap there between different support levels, some confluence, and these are typically areas where at least we can expect a reaction. If it's going to be, let's say, a substantial turnaround, well, that's a completely different question, right? But first of all, we can identify the levels where the market has a good chance to react. What we then need to see after such a long correction, which obviously started here in March at this top of our 5-wave move, labeled wave 1, we expect obviously this wave 2 correction, but what we need to see after such a long wave 2 correction is a first impulse or leading diagonal to the upside, some kind of a 5-wave move again, but on a smaller time frame, on a lower degree, a lower wave degree, 5-wave move up from any low in this yellow support region is going to be the first level of confirmation, not certainty, but confirmation that a low has been established in this wave 2 correction. And that's what I'm watching for. At the moment, there is no evidence for it, but I'm obviously actively looking for it because looking at the decline, we have enough waves in place to consider this correction complete. Trying to, let's say, work with the microstructure, which is always a bit unreliable because we're really dealing with a very, very small, not only time frame, but also wave degree here where intraday movements could already easily lead to invalidation. This still would definitely allow for another low. I mean, absolutely. We only have, from this last low where the price reacted to 550, we only have a 3-wave corrective rally. And that just indicates, okay, we cannot confirm a low is in place. It's too early for that. If you ask me, it looks like we get another low, but that could change. But what do I need to see? So I need to see 5 waves up. So if this is only an ABC structure, then we could call that maybe a wave 1 of a larger 5-wave move. Then this move down would be wave 2, even though it looks more like a 5-wave move down. So then we would need to see an ABC move in wave 3, then a wave 4, and a wave 5. I'm not labeling them all, but we would need to get the price to 645 as a first, let's say, ideal target for a 5-wave move. So I really need to see those 5 waves that reach $6.45. Without that, there is absolutely zero evidence that a low has been established. Nothing. The earliest indication might be a break above this descending wedge upper boundary line. We now have 3 touch points there, so I think it is quite a meaningful trend line. But as long as we are still moving in the wedge, there is no breakout. And if there is a breakout, we have to watch for the 5-wave structure. So breakout is one thing. A breakout does not confirm a low. It's just a set of green candles. We need to see the right structure, and that would be the 5-wave pattern, okay? If we break above the first trend line, it might send us to the next one and then possibly to the next one. And that might cut here the 645 area. So, they could be relevant in addition. I think breaking above trend lines causes us to watch. They could be signals. But again, that doesn't really relate so much to the Elliott Wave structure. That really comes with the right structure. Green candles alone never confirm a low in place. But a break above certain key levels like those trend lines, there will definitely be an initial signal. Yeah, that is what we really need to see. Until that happens, one more low is definitely a likely scenario, possibly targeting 4.99 or 4.60. That's the update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.